This video is the first part in a series on how to design and develop this game using a PIC microcontroller. So this video is just going to go through exactly how the game works and then later on get into the design in separate videos and then get into the software design and how the software works. So to go through the features of this, there's 4 buttons. The top left button sets the level. So you can set level 2, 3, 4 and 1, and the level is just the number of sequences that you have to copy when you're actually playing the game. And then there's a second level setting on the second top right button, and that's the number of LEDs which can be on at any one time. So it can be either be 1 LED or 2 LEDs on sequentially. The bottom right button turns the sound off or on, so the sound's off now. And if I press it and you hear a beep when you press it, then the sound's back on. So if I start a game now, just to play, and you just have to repeat the sequences that you see. And on the first level, you only have to repeat 4 sequences. Then it goes up and it gets more and more sequences the further levels you get to. And the fourth level, you have to repeat 16 sequences. But if I just demonstrate level 2 on the number of sequential LEDs, so you can have up to 2 LEDs being displayed at any one time. Oops. It gets quite complicated the more LEDs you have on. So if I go up to all 4, it's very difficult to press the buttons all at the same time. And that's what happens when you don't get something right. And it'll switch itself off in standby mode, where it consumes only about 5 microamps in standby mode. So you just leave the battery in all the time. It doesn't run the battery flat. And if you start a game and you hit something wrong, then it fails. If you get to the end of the sequence, you win. Or if you if you don't press the buttons in time, there's a timeout period. I'll just put it onto level 1 again. Okay, so if I just hit one of them, and if I just wait on this, there's a timeout period in which you have to react. And if you don't press it, it tells you which one you should have pressed, and then it has the fail sequence. Or if I was to press the wrong button, so if I was to press that one, it'll flash the one that you should have pressed, and then it'll do the fail sequence. So it's a simple game. It's a copy of a game which was called Simon in the 1980s, and Velleman have made a kit of it as well. But you don't get this second option, which is makes it more complex. We have to press more than one button at a time. In the next video, I'll go through the hardware design, and then I'll go through, take other videos to go through assembling it and software programming, and I'll describe how the software works for each stage. And at the very end, I'll make the software open source as well, so you can just download it and program it for yourself.